Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to embed Substack in WordPress. All right, let's begin. First, go to your Substack publication settings page and look for the section called Growth Features. Here, you'll find different tools to help grow your audience. Among them, you'll see a unique HTML code snippet for embedding your subscriber button. Copy this code. Next, open your WordPress admin dashboard. Choose the page or post where you want the Substack form to appear and start editing. Add a custom HTML block by clicking the plus sign and selecting it from the block library. Paste the Substack HTML code snippet into this block and your subscription form will be embedded. If you want to embed a specific Substack post, open that post in Substack. On the right-hand side, click the Share button and choose Embed. Copy the new HTML code provided. Go back to your WordPress editor, insert another custom HTML block, and paste the embed code there. Finally, save and publish your page or post. Preview it to confirm everything works properly. So that's basically how you can embed Substack in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.